Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given this equation that we're going to solve. 9x minus 21 equals to negative 6 plus 12x. Let's provide the solution. And here, first thing is to copy. We have 9x minus 21 equals to negative 6 plus 12x. And of course, this equation can be solved using different many formulas, but here I'm going to use this formula. Let me start by saying this side should be shown by numbers with variables, whereas here should be number with non-variable numbers. What can we do? We have 9x then minus 21, and we're going to move this one to the across this equal sign, then we shall say plus 21, right, which is equal to negative 6 plus 12x, and then this one we're going to add it right here, plus 21. We have 9x, and this one shall be cancelled to get negative. Here we have negative 6 plus 21, this is equal to plus 15 here plus 12x, right? Then we're going to move this 12x into across this equal sign, that is, we're going to add the negative of this one. This is 9x minus 12x, which is equal to plus 15 plus 12x minus 12x, and of course this one should be cancelled to get here negative 3x, right here. Then it will be here positive 15, right here. Then shall divide negative 3 divide negative 3 to get x, which is equal to negative 5. And here we can check if the answer is correct, because I've given 9x minus 21, which is equal to negative 6 plus here 12x. And of course here have 9 times 5 minus 21 equal to negative 6, then plus 12 times 5. This is 45 minus 21 equals to negative 6, then here plus 60, right? Yeah, this is what we have right here. Then this will be 6 here, and of course, here remember that you have negative 5 and here I have negative 5. That's why I have negative 5, and here I have negative 5. This is negative 66, which is equal to right here, this is negative 66. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.